Hey YouTube, it's Fuchs Girl, and I'm back, and still sick, as you can hear, as you can see. However, I do have the finished product of the Icon hair. I absolutely love this hair. It has a lot of body. It doesn't shed at all. Like, the color hair is shedding, but the Icon hair, it's not shedding at all. It's really nice. Only thing I have negative to say is that because it's so soft, it does not. It holds curl all day, but when you get up the next morning, you will have to curl it again, which is a bad thing for me because as being a hairstylist, I don't like to do my own hair as often. Let me stop lying. I like to do my hair, but I don't like curling my hair. So, here's the finished product. See that? See that body? A lot of body, a lot of body, a lot of body. There's my daughter.
Hi, my name is Shantanae.
Okay, bye. So yeah, this is the finished product. And I'm gonna start doing a lot of videos. I also do jewelry. These are my name earrings. They're my future last name, which is Miss Straw. Aren't they beautiful? Yeah. So. I'll probably start doing tutorials and things like that. I'm not that sure. Like I said before, I'm a little camera shy, but whatever. I'll get used to it. Alright, so I'm on my way out to the craft store now, so my daughter and I can make some more things. Oh yeah, I also make the bracelets and stuff. I'm going to be putting all that stuff on my page soon. Alright, take care. Bye.